What's up? What's good, everyone? I'm back on Twitch, and this time I'm actually streaming on two different platforms, Twitch and TikTok. So you'll be seeing me kind of reading comments off of both. I will be face painting myself as Twilight today. Let's get started. As always, I like to start out with the lightest color, which for Twilight would be white. For her sparkle, I decided that I should probably do the pink part first. Her star, I'm going to do a bit of pink with the purple that I'm going to use. And when I paint my skin purple, I'm going to mix my purple with the white. I haven't made this type of color before. It's interesting. Oh, that's interesting. Twilight's star doesn't go across. It's like an X without the plus in the middle. It's funny, I dreamt about my process of doing this last night. I've said this before in my other streams, but I feel like I'm hungry all the time because when I do these streams with you guys, it just feels like I always say, man, I'm hungry, or I need to leave because I need to eat. Who's your favorite pony and what's your favorite My Little Pony song? So when I drew this purple part, I only did the lines so that I had a good idea of where I wanted the white sparkles to go, because if I put the white on top of the purple, it's going to have problems. I'm also going to be Starlight Glimmer tonight. I'm not gonna draw her cutie mark on her face like I'm doing with Twilight. Man, this paint is making my eyebrows go crazy. I need to start working on the light purple of my face with my new favorite brush. Tanya Bombardier says, love the makeup. Thank you. Not done yet. Got a lot of purple to go. Gotta blend. Oh dear. I painted right over that star. This purple, don't play. I'm like so close. I'm getting purple, guys. I'm getting excited. These stars are so tiny. I have heard of FNAF. My little sister is absolutely loves FNAF. And I have face painted myself as a few FNAF characters. And I think I say this in all my videos, but you can use lipstick for your lips. It's easier for me to just paint it. I just realized I forgot to put my wig on before painting my hands. Luckily, this wig is purple. Which actually, fun fact, I haven't even used my Twilight wig since I bought it. Okay, the only thing I have used my Twilight wig for is my 2018 wig haul video on my YouTube channel. I've had that wig for like a year. I was Pinkie Pie and Applejack twice before I was Twilight. And I don't have anything against Twilight. I like Twilight. With that, we got the face paint done. We got to get the wig on. Wig out. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I am hyped. That was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you want to see my other pony videos, then you can check out the playlist down below or in the end screen or cards, because that'll be coming up here pretty soon. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! I have to, oh my gosh, there's so many messages, you guys. You guys are so great. I'm already practicing for my talent show. Ooh, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna sing a song in ASL actually, but it's hard. You're gonna do an ASL song? What song are you doing? That's amazing. I'm not sure yet. I think Pink Elephant's on Parade. Oh, I loved signing that so much. I mean, I know I was in a green screen suit, and that's always really interesting for me. Like, I can't hardly see a thing when I'm in that, but it was really fun. Do you have a pet? I have a dog and a bird, and I used to have a pony. A pony? Wow. I guess still, I wouldn't mind a pony now. I wanted to have a horse ranch when I was younger. Yeah, I have a cat. Her name is Stardust. I have an Instagram account for her specifically, and then my sister has a fish named Lunar. I think my hand is dry enough. You guys want to see Stardust? He's dying here. Say hi to everyone. Hi. Oh, look at those eyes. Oh yes. Oh, love. She's so confused. She's like, why did you bring me here? Do you draw the Dog Invader Player 20? Yes, I draw a lot. I don't know if you have seen, I have quite a few TikToks of myself drawing different things. This month I'm doing a pony drawing challenge. What MLP character that you relate to most? Lily Fury says. Definitely Rarity. Olivia Munster 3, my favorite pony is the one you get ready to dress up as. Oh, so Twilight? Nice. Mine is Fluttershy. She's so sweet. JC Dradis said mine would be Twilight Sparkle. Oh, hey! Winter Wolfies. And my favorite song is All of Them, right? They have so many good songs. Lily Fury says Rainbow Dash, and I don't have a favorite song. My favorite cosplay was the one with Applejack and Apple Bloom. Yes, that was one of my favorites. Though Rarity is my favorite pony, so the Rarity and Sweetie Belle that we did is probably one of mine. If I could, I would give you a chip and a big, big hug. I like chips. Are you talking about French fries or chip chips? I don't know what region you're in.